Hello everyone, welcome to the Stand with Maths YouTube channel. This is the Sri Lankan first Olympiad Maths channel. So here I choose like this question. Here we can see find 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 plus again plus 1 times 7. So we need to find this summation. Before this one I will show you some pattern little bit similar to this one. So here you can see first row 1 plus 1 1 is equal to 1 2. Second row 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 1 is equal to 1 2 3. So you can observe there is a pattern. The number of 1 times, I mean first row you can see 2 ones in last number. So you should write the answer as 1 2. Second row last number have 3 digits all 1. So you can write the as a answer 1 2 3. So the answer is depend on last number digits. So in our problem we can see last number have 1 times 7, so that we can write like this: 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 times 7 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is the final answer for this question. So I request to all, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. I will upload more Olympiad maths in my channel. Goodbye.